Aloha everyone, this is Cooking with Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today we're making dill pickles. These fortunately came from our garden, and it's a very simple process to do. So I arrange all of these young cucumbers. I like to use the Persian cucumbers, or in Hawaii, if you have the Japan cucumbers, they're the best. Or you can use hothouse cucumbers. So these cucumbers have very little seeds and not too much water. That's why I like them. And they're super crunchy. And these pickles will stay crunchy for a long time in the refrigerator. So what I usually do is I filled up all the bottle with as much pickles or cucumbers as I have. And what I'm doing is I'm just taking 2 dry chili peppers and trying to put them into the jar. Stick them on the side. And then I have some shallots. They'll eventually sink down. And then I have like a large clove of sliced garlic. And then to make the dill, I have here some dill, which I froze because dill isn't always in season and it's very expensive to get it at the store. Sometimes you can get it on sale. So to keep it nice, although it's kind of soft, but it's okay, I freeze it, and then now I can put it in here. I just try to stick it down. If you have access to fresh dill, you can also put the flower heads of the dill, and it's very pretty. But in this case, that's all I have. So now all you do is you take 6 cups of water, 2 cups of vinegar, and 1/3 cup of rock salt or Hawaiian salt, or just a coarse salt. And what I did was I brought it to a boil in a pot, making sure all the salt is dissolved. Then I fully cooled it. Now it's cool to the touch. So all I do is I pour this right over the cucumbers. And that's it. Now all you do is you refrigerate it. So bottle lids tend to rust, so I like to put plastic wrap over it first, and then I cover it. This way, when you keep it in the refrigerator, the moisture won't collect and your jars stay nice and fresh, no rust. So now all you gotta do is you refrigerate it, and as the cucumber shrinks a little, you can kind of push it down. And that's all there is to it. It's a very crisp pickle. That's it. Thank you.